In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT as an assistant to help us create content for our YouTube videos. I say assistant because we don't want it to do everything for us. We want to build our own audience, and for that we need unique content in our voice. ChatGPT will create content in its voice, and it's going to sound like everybody else using ChatGPT. So I encourage you to try to incorporate your own voice and use ChatGPT just as an assistant to help you create content faster. And I know some of you are going to say is I can come up with these ideas on my own, or humans can do it better. That may be so. But as an assistant, ChatGPT can help you do it faster. I can almost guarantee it. The first thing I'm going to do is ask it for some topic ideas. My prompt is, can you help me think of some creative topic ideas for YouTube videos, for a YouTube video about stand-up paddleboarding? And here we have 10 great ideas, including some information about what we should be doing in the video. Sup adventures, exploring hidden gems, sup fitness, workout on water, all these different angles of what you can do with a stand-up paddleboard. Mastering tricks, advanced techniques, safety gear, stand-up paddleboarding with your dog, and yes, humans can come up with these. I could sit down for 15, 20 minutes and think of these ideas too, but maybe not. Maybe I wouldn't even get all of these, but I get some of them for sure. But then you can also go and say, those are great. Can you think of any more? And then it just rattles off a whole bunch more. I challenge you to do this on your own or find an assistant who will do this for you without getting tired. It's just helpful, right? I mean, I'm not saying copy these verbatim and use these as your content. I'm saying use these as a way to inspire you to incorporate your own ideas and your own thoughts and your own voice into creating this content. So I'm going to choose this one right here for this example video. Sup safety, essential gear and techniques. I'm just going to copy this. In the same chat here, I'm going to enter my next prompt, which is please write 3 concise bullet points I could use to create an intro to a video about stand-up paddleboarding safety. I chose to write that out instead of just having sup there, just for more clarity for ChatGPT. Essential gear and techniques. So important things here. We say we want 3, otherwise it's going to rattle off 15. And that's just too much to wade through just for an intro. Intro is only supposed to be 5 or 10 seconds. So make sure you enter a small number of bullet points here. Concise, I also put in here because ChatGPT tends to ramble sometimes. So I say concise, and then I give it the topic. And let's see what it spits out. That's not bad. Listen to our 3 directive. So we have 3 bullet points. They're not too wordy. And I bet you can read through these and create a pretty enticing intro for this video. I'm not saying just use this verbatim. I'm not saying read this as your intro. Importance of safety. Discuss the crucial role of safety in stand-up paddleboarding and emphasize the significance of being prepared and because you sound like a robot. I'm saying read these bullet points, think about them, and then create your own intro based on the inspiration that you have here. It just makes the creative process so much faster. So now we have our video topic and we have our introduction. Now the content of the video. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, or I'm going to say, that's awesome. Can you please write a sample outline of specific things to talk about in this video? And it goes on for quite a while, as you can see. Depending on how long you want to make a video, maybe you want to draw on all these subtopics, maybe not. But it's not important. It is very helpful to be able to read through these and think about what you want to say in your video from your perspective of paddleboard safety. And I know I keep referencing you specifically. I think it's very hard to create content about something that you don't know anything about. ChatGPT makes up a lot of stuff. It lies a lot. It hallucinates a lot. It thinks it's right and it sounds really good, but it's not right. So then having you as the knowledgeable person to kind of rein in the ChatGPT and take the bits that it gets right and that inspire you to create content for, use that in your content to make it better than it would have been. Or maybe not better, but to make it faster than you normally would have created it. I can't emphasize enough how important it is for you to have your own voice and build your audience with your own voice, because it's only a matter of time until the AI generated videos with the AI generated voices, with the AI generated scripts overrun YouTube and people just stop listening to them, because there's only so many AI generated voices. People are just going to gloss over. They're going to recognize the voice. Of course, there are now ways to make your own voice with 11 Labs and things like that. But my point is that having your own voice, your own tone, your own way of writing things, even if you have different generated voices for AI videos, ChatGPT is still going to write in a specific person's voice. You can tell to use another person's voice, but it has to be a famous person. You couldn't use it necessarily to use your voice in the content. It's a bit of a ramble, but my point is, You just want to use, in my opinion, use ChatGPT as an assistant, not as the actual creator. If you use it as an assistant, then you are the creator. If you use it the other way, ChatGPT is the creator, and essentially you're the assistant to the AI overlords, just making videos that the AI thinks you should make. So what do you want to be? Do you want to be the one in control? You want to be the creator? Or do you want to be the assistant? You choose. I'm suggesting you be the creator and get inspiration from what ChatGPT and other AIs put out, and you can improve it and add your own spin and make it worthwhile content that people want to watch. But that's just my opinion. Next up, check out this whole playlist here about ChatGPT on the AI Underground channel. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to click subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.